Hello friends and welcome. Before starting the video, I want to preface this by stating that I have used a 2021 theme which is a classic theme for this example. Now let's begin. I have already added two templates called singlemovie.php and singleperson.php. Before diving in, let me give you an overview. Let's say I have activated the 2021 classic theme. If I navigate to movies section, we have added actors in the meta box and genre taxonomy. Similarly, for the people section, we have a careers taxonomy. We also established relationship between the people and movie post type using a shadow taxonomy. If we visit the front end, you can see the content itself, but there's no genre taxonomy or meta information displayed. Similarly, for the person post type, if I go to the persons section and visit an individual actor, it only displays the actor information without any career taxonomy terms or the list of movies by the actor. To address this, I created a child theme. In the child theme, I added templates called singlemovie.php and singleperson.php. As we discussed in the template hierarchy video, template hierarchy determines which template is used. For example, single.php is the main template, while single-posttype.php is more specific. I created single-movie.php for the movies post type and single-person.php for the person post type. I also created and override the template parts. For single movie, I added a movie.php file in the template part/movie library directory. Similarly, for the single person.php, I added a person.php file in the template part/movie library directory. In the movie.php file, I displayed the genre taxonomy and the list of actors assigned to the movie. Similarly, for singleperson.php, I added a person.php file. In the person.php file, I displayed the career taxonomy and the latest movies by that actor. After activating the child theme and revisiting the movie section, you can now see the genre taxonomy and the actors assigned to the movie. Similarly, if I go to the people section, you can see the actor's career and the latest movies. By using a child theme, we avoid directly modifying the parent theme. This ensures that our changes are not lost during the theme updates. I haven't added any custom styles or include any CSS because I want to use the 2021 theme's default styles. If you need to add custom CSS, you can write it in the style.css file for the child theme or create a separate CSS file and include it. You can also override template parts. For instance, let's say I have modified the footer widgets template and added a second sidebar. I copied the footer widgets.php file from the parent theme and pasted it into the child themes template parts folder and made my changes there. Then I have removed the original file from the parent theme. The overridden footer widgets template in the child theme works seamlessly as WordPress prioritizes child theme templates over the parent themes. Same goes for the custom templates as well. I have also moved the without comments.php file to the child theme and see the post that uses it, it will still load the custom template. As you can see, the comments are not present because the paths stored in the post meta are relative paths, and if you remember, WordPress checks in both parent and child themes for the file. If it is present, then that template is used. Similarly, you can move other templates like home.php, header.php, frontpage.php, and footer.php to the child themes for customization. What about overriding functions.php code? I have created a functions.php file in the child theme. We had registered a second sidebar in the parent theme, and I have moved that to the child theme as well. I had simply copied the entire function and its add action statement and pasted it into the functions.php file of the child theme. Since the parent theme's function is not wrapped in a function exists check, we will have to add our custom functionality. To avoid naming conflicts, I renamed the function to something unique such as 2021 child widget in it and registered it using add action function. This ensures that our custom functionality does not clash with the parent theme's code. You can also override parent theme functions by just redefining them in the child theme, but only if the function exists check is used. For example, if the parent theme has a function called 2021 setup, you can redefine it in the child theme's functions.php file, and WordPress will use the child themes version. If you only need to remove the specific supports like post thumbnails and you don't want to override the entire function, instead you can use remove theme support within a function hooked to after setup theme. Ensure you use a lower priority, for example 11, than the parent theme's default priority to ensure your changes take effect after the parent theme's function runs. For example, to remove post thumbnail support, I have created a function in the child theme. Why do we need this? Let's say I have added a function to the after setup theme hooked in the child theme that removes the support for post thumbnails with default priority. Since the child theme and its functions.php file is loaded first, so by that logic, this code will run first. And then the parent theme's functions.php will run, and that will add back the support again. So with the lower priority of a child theme's function, we can delay the execution of our code to override the code of the parent theme. So now if you go to the admin and edit a post, you will see we don't have the meta box to add post thumbnails. The same will be the case for a custom post type. If you later decide to re-enable the feature, you can simply comment out the relevant code and now you will be able to see the post thumbnail meta box again. This approach allows you to efficiently customize the functionality without modifying the parent theme. Remember, you can only override function if the parent theme uses a function exists check. Otherwise, overriding the function will result in a fatal error and you will need to find an alternative approach. By following these methods, you can safely and effectively extend or modify theme functionality using a child theme. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress!